You know what? A lot of people been asking me in emails and Facebook PMs, and they was talking about it in one group on Facebook, how the Les Paul fix turned out. The stop bar back here, the tailpiece. You remember how it pulled out of the wood up, and I fixed it and got videos on it. Too many people asking me about that, so I figured, you know what, I'll just make a video. That guitar needs some work anyway, so I'm going to get you and make a video, and we're going to just have all kind of fun here. So grab you something to drink and eat and smoke, and let's do it! Alright, well, here it is. I'll show you under that light right there first. Here it is in all of its majestic beauty. Still ain't put the truss rod cover on. I haven't had to adjust the rod anymore. But it needs some work. There's some fret buzzing down here, and I don't like it. It just started doing that. I don't know if some of the frets wore, or maybe one popped up. I haven't even looked at it yet. We're going to do that on this video and fix it. But first, I'm going to get you. And bring you over here and show you the tailpiece, the stop bar, how it's holding up. You can see for yourself. Hold on. Lord, look at the dust. It don't look that bad up here. Well, yeah, it looks pretty bad. Well, I haven't been wiping it. I've been playing it. And I don't have the macro lens on right now, so maybe I can zoom in and you can see that it has not moved. Maybe if I got down here. Where is it, man? Yeah, I think you can see it there. It has not budged. Has not moved. Thing stays in tune. Over here, the other side, well, I ain't got the cord long enough to show you the other side, but the other side looks just like that. It has not moved. Let me get a flashlight on it, see if that'll, maybe this flashlight will help you see it better. I don't know. But it's good, man. It's solid as a rock. The epoxy trick worked. But, got some fret buzz, like I say, down in here. 3 or 4 frets. Hear that? They're all messed up, so we're going to check those first and fix that. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. I'm not hooked into an amp. I think you can hear it. It's pretty quiet in here right now. That's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. And it's only on the first string. Second string, so we're going to have to figure out what's wrong. That could be one fret way up in here, maybe popped up or higher than all those before it, because it's weird that 3 or 4 frets would go bad. That's the A note. You can hear it starting to choke out there, and there it does. Well, let's check it out, see what's going on. It's going to be awful hard to rock on these frets when they're that close together. Just want to take a rocker here, start here about the 15th fret or so. I don't know if the camera will pick this up. It hasn't rocked yet, but there it is. Okay, I'm going to go between strings 1 and 2 now. I was just now did it under the first string, right there on the side, like so. I'm going to go between 1 and 2 now. Try to stay close to where string number 1 lives, in line with it. See, there's no rocking, except right there on that very last 3 frets. Well, I'm going to do this with the strings on it too. So I'm going to put a block, and loosen the strings, put a block of wood here, and a block over the pickup. That'll raise the strings up high enough where I can get in there with the crown file. But I want to determine exactly which one you know, like I say, it only needs it where the first string is. Actually, I need to look and see if one popped up. That 20th one looks a little bit funky. I can't shove it down though, I don't think. Let me get my visors on. Holy shit. It'd be hard for me to make you see this. I've just got the old visors on, and I'll hold it up here and look through here, and I can see that mother now. Which one did I say it was? 20, wasn't it? No, it's not moving. The rest of them look pretty good. 20 just got a little, I think that's just dirt. It looks like an open crack there. It's not moving at all, so it's not, no fret popped up. Alright, I got the strings loose, got them blocked up, chalked up, and ready to rock and roll. You know what I think happened is this last 22nd fret, and maybe even the 20th, I think the wood has maybe changed humidification, and the moisture content in the wood or in the fretboard. Something changed, and it made this last fret, 22 and possibly 21, higher, because all those other frets choking out. So I'm going to start. I was going to take a crown file too, by the way. And anyways, I'm going to take a crown file and just work on this end over here. But I think no more than that is. It's such a little bit, man. I'm just going to do it with sandpaper. I then got some cut here, 800 grit, 1000, 1200, 1500, and 2000. And I think I'm going to start with that 800 grit, I think, and just start, you know, taking a little bit off of these last two frets. Maybe a little bit on 21 as well. And I got to go get fretboard protectors though, because I don't want to sand on that with the no protection. I forgot to get them. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to start sanding under string 1 there. I can get up under here and work. And you know, take a little bit off there, a little bit off here, a little bit off there, try it. And if it don't work, jack it back up, take a little bit more off. Anyways, I'll be right back. Gotta go get fret protectors and let's do it! This is 800 grit. I'm going to sand on that for a while. Well, I've been sanding on it for a while. That was the 22nd fret. Here's the 21st. And this is not going to take very much off, but man, it don't like very much. I mean, you could hear it. I don't see any fret wear on these since I did the frets on it. Bend my paper around here and get a better bite, a clean bite. Trying to stay under string. Let me do it all over again now. I'll check it in a minute, and if it works, then I'll loosen the strings back up and go through all the paper grits on these 3 frets and polish them again. I'm just using the meter, the tuner, to get in pitch, and then just tune the rest of them by ear to make it faster. Alright, here's 12th fret. Here's where the trouble started. Aha! I'm going to start on the 15th fret. Check them all. Maybe. None of these buzzed before, but might as well check them all, right? Here's where the trouble started. Well, right there. It's a done deal, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna get you. I just want to make absolutely sure before I loosen those back up and polish those frets. I'm going to start at the 15th fret. 12, 13, 14, 15, yeah. And yeah, it's good. And hold on to it. I'm starting at the 17th fret now, by the way. Yeah, I'm going to have to polish the frets now. Just for a quick check here. 15th fret. About 3/64. And 15th fret, low E, is exactly 4/64. Completed. Well, only completed. I got to put the blocks back under there and go through the rest of these sandpapers. Already got them cut out. And it looks funky, those last 3 frets. So I want to make them look like the rest of the frets. All I gotta do is go through the rest of this sandpaper. That was 800. I'm gonna go through 1,000 grit, 1,200, 1,500, and 2,000, and then semi-chrome polish. And I'll probably polish them all with a semi-chrome when I do that. Man, I'm glad that was easy. Easy. We like these easy jobs. Now I can play it again. I want to check the setup on this guitar sometime though, pretty soon, because that changed. You know. Like I say, I guess the wood maybe swelled up, got bigger, shoved the fret up higher, and or the last 2 or 3 anyway. I sanded 3 of them, 22, 21, and 20 is the 3 frets that I did just now. I didn't do it all on video, and I'm not going to show me doing it all on video again, but I'm going to loosen the strings, put the blocks in the leather back under there, and go through the rest of those 1,000, 1,200, 15. Well, I already said that, didn't I? Cheers. I'm rambling. Been a long day. Thank you guys for watching. Go to the front page of this channel. There's a little search icon there. Click that. Just put frets in, and you'll see me doing just what I'm going to do right now. So I'm not going to bore you to death with that. I'm just going to go ahead and polish them and be done with it, man. Take it and play it. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers to you, and I'll see you again very much soon. By the way, while you're on the front page of this channel, clicking the search button, search for any of your troubles or your needs. I got videos on everything, baby. I mean on everything. Acoustic and electric guitars, and there's some other instruments on there. Guitars is about the only thing I show anymore. But anyway, search for whatever's on your mind, and you'll probably find a video of me doing it. If a lot of people would do that, I wouldn't get near the questions that I get in PMs and emails every day. I gotta say again, I'm sorry I can't answer all of your emails and PMs. Wow, I can barely read them all, man. It's unbelievable. But search for whatever your needs may be, your problem. Not all of YouTube, but just on this channel. There's, like I say, go to the front page of this channel where it says home and videos and discussion, I think. It used to be called something else. I can't remember what it was. And the about tabs there. There's a search icon there. Click the search icon, and whatever you're having trouble with, search for it. I almost guarantee you'll find a video of me doing it, fixing it, or explaining it. Might be a quick tip. Some of them's going to come out. I get some good ones. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Cheers.